Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to tell about the mystical experiences or the process that had happened in the life of the great mystic J. Krishnamurti. Krishnamurti arrived from Brockwood Park of London to India in the first week of November 1979. Straight away he went to Chennai. Therefrom he arrived at Rishi Valley at Andhra Pradesh. It all happened there only. Krishnamurti called the mystical experiences as process. Almost every day he had those experiences. Why we are telling all those kind of things in our channel? For life is having many dimensions. Of course it has infinite dimensions. In many videos we have told that there is a dimension beyond the known. The spirituality deals with that dimension also. That dimension belongs to the dimension of creation. In the first week of November 1979, what had happened with J. Krishnamurti? Immediately at the night, he used to get up. Some unknown energy used to descend on him. It was not invited by him. Desires could not approach that. It was not his mental projection. It was nothing to do with God or any other experience. It was simply the encounter between J. Krishnamurti and the truth. All his questions disappeared. He says all his search has come to an end. It is beyond all the dimensions. His thirst was quenched forever. He was directly in touch with the truth, because truth removes all the miseries and worries in our life. It all happened in the life of J. Krishnamurti to help the humanity. The highest kind of compassion he experienced. It is the form of utmost love. As Christ says that the kingdom of God is within, it is almost similar to that experience. It almost happened in every day in the life of the mystic J. Krishnamurti. The experience was beyond all the words. All the things in the existence came into him. He was present in all the beings and non-beings of the existence. He could see that he was one with the whole experience. Simply we can infer that that is the highest kind of mystical experience one can ever experience in one's life. The highest kind of reality he could attain. These events are described in the chapter Years of Fulfillment of the book written by Mary Lutyens, in the title The Biography of J. Krishnamurti. These things will help us, for we are to have a deep understanding about our own life. Life is not as it is seen by our naked eyes. There are deeper dimensions of life. Spiritual life is concerned with that. Krishnamurti could experience life and death together. He could experience what is the significance of life and death. In many places he told that he was with death always. There was no separation between life and death. In so many places he mentioned that he had out-of-body experiences many times in his life. All these things are possible. Only a deep intensity and sincerity is needed. Spirituality is the highest kind of adventure. The great mystic J. Krishnamurti has taught us that life has a great meaning. Life is all for compassion. Compassion is the highest form of reality. One can experience it if one wishes. This is what we are learning from the mystic J. Krishnamurti. Once again we will be coming up with another one video explaining some other event that had happened in the great mystic J. Krishnamurti. Thanks for watching.